Hi friends, I hope you're doing well, and here make a bundle of t-shirt, mocha, man and woman, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to Sheri skpwd.com and get subscription, one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, you see here, first I show you the property of these files, 7.83 GB. That's mean all files are high definition. For example, you see here, these are PSD file, you see. Okay, and manhood. Okay, next, long sleeve. Same thing in woman. For example, I open this one in Photoshop, drag here. Go to layer area, you see everything you can customize. Okay. Go here and you can change everything I just tell you. For example, you see, go to Mockup 3, same thing here, select color sky blue, Control S, and you see here our color is changed. Okay, and next you see this, select color yellow, Control S. Yo, that's mean these are fully editable or customizable. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.